So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
What's up, guys? Day 6 here in Angeles City. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna head up on the Clark. I'll shoot down First Street here quick. I'm gonna head up on the Clark. See what it looks like up on Clark. This is First Street here. It goes down by the mall. Yufu Inn. One of my go-to places for sushi. Closed. Guys, I got the GoPro 6 on my helmet today. This is actually the first time I've used my GoPro 6 on the helmet. Reason being because the mounting, you know, how it mounts on my helmet, it's such a big case, and it's just heavy. So I kind of don't use it that much, but I am using it. Should cut down some of the shaking because it has built-in stabilizer. SM Mall, empty. Grocery stores are open inside SM Mall. Let's take a little spin up through here. See if we can go in the parking lot. Yeah, we can go in through here. Just do a little ride through here. I'll show you. All right, go ahead. There's the parking lot. Come around here to the side where the grocery store is. Changed the parking, or the way you can drive around. On the left hand side used to be able to go the other way. They now have changed all the driving lanes here around the mall. Not because of the situation, just because here, go down here, let me show you all the people. Do not enter. Well, I guess I won't go down there. It says do not enter. I'm not going to break the rules. Yeah, listen to me. Hang on. Listen to me. I'm out and about, right? That's another thing. You know what? People have made comments. Not everybody. Not everybody. It's maybe a handful have made comments about me being out and about. Well, you know what? How about you do you, and I'll do me. And we'll get along perfectly fine. All right, let's go. See nobody over there. Well, let's see, where does he want me? Good morning.
Where are you going, sir?
I'm going to the grocery store.
Yeah,
Uh-oh. Can you get me? All right. So, So he asked for my ID, asked me where I was going, grocery shopping, and I will go into the grocery store, and scanned me, make sure I'm okay, and that's it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of music. It's just windy. There's too much wind. Look at it. The golf course is open. There's people out on the golf course. But guys, check it out. It's like Clark has been abandoned again. You know, I wasn't here in '91, of course, but I have seen videos and photos of Clark when Mount Pinatubo erupted, and kind of abandoned. It appears abandoned. Let's put it that way. It's not abandoned. You know, there are excuse me, there are people still on Clark. It's just, you know, the businesses, I guess, are shut down. They're not allowed to. They're shut down. They're not running, or if they are running, I don't know. But anyways, you know what? I'm coming up on this traffic light here. It is a 60-second long video. I won't bore you with sitting through it. So I will cut to the next scene. And away we go. I'll just let you look around just to see what it's like. See what it looks like. Alright, that's 20. Yeah, I should be able to make that light there. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And we made it through. Made it through, made it through. We're coming up now, on the right hand side will be where the airport is. From my understanding, international flights are still coming in. Still coming in, so that big truck, we'll get down. I'll get around him. The car's kind of blocking the lane there. But I will go right up the side. Here's the airport to your right. Like I said, as far as I know, flights are still going on. To the left there is where the blue taxi used to sit and get pick up passengers, but they're not there. They're gone. They're not there. I would imagine they've been shut down also. Blue taxi. I didn't see any running around, so even around Angeles, I didn't see any running around. There's the airport. We'll find out soon enough, because up here is where Blue Cab's main hub is, where they're branched out of. Yep, they're all there. The whole lot is full. There's the lot right there. They are grounded. We will, I don't know, we're just going to ride around, guys. Just going to show you around Clark here, what it looks like. There's Genesis bus terminals. Not all of their buses are running, from my understanding. They're still running from Clark International down to Manila, to the airport. Like I was saying the other day. There's security sitting there on their chair. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. He's definitely got social distancing going on, and he's even wearing a mask that far away. Up here, that's one of my go-to grocery stores. Hawkson's or Parkson's, I can't remember it. Hawkson, Parkson, there it is, Parkson. I'm gonna turn left here. Parkson. They're closed. Closed, nobody there. Yep, closed. Video Mac machine is up, not Mac. Mac tells you how old I am. ATM machines are open. Down here on the right hand side will be the canine cemetery. Right there, the canine cemetery. That grass is cut, looks good. I will shoot down here around the go down by the racetrack. Look at it, empty. That's Texas Instrument building right there on the right. There, Texas Instrument. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what's open and what isn't open, business-wise. But yep, that's a big building there, Texas Instrument. Couldn't tell you what that is in front of me. No clue. TNSCI. Alright, let's head out by the racetrack here. Out by the back. One of the gate areas. There's what it is. Couldn't read it. There's the speedway. Alright, coming up here to the back. There's people walking. Some people over there to the left. Some guy right there on the right. Imagine they have this back gate closed. I'm just going to turn around. Yeah, they got it. They got it stopped for inspections, and I'm just going to turn around. Yeah, I'll go back around this way. Go back. Yeah, they want to pull people over and check them. All right. Guys, back at it. Let me put the shield down. Back at it. Zena Hotel. Coming up here on the right hand side will be the Pure Gold. Should be open. It's a grocery store. Yep, Pure Gold. And there's cars there. Pure Gold is open. It looks like they're doing construction to it. Yeah, it's open. Marriott Hotel straight ahead. I don't know, somebody told me that some of the hotels here, somebody said the Signpost Hotel. There's a McDonald's up here on the right. Back in there's the old hospital. McDonald's. Somebody told me the Signpost Hotel in Angeles City here is closing. They're closing it up. Wow, that's come a long way since I've been out here last. Anyways, we're coming up on the long traffic light again. So I think we'll just go we'll go straight here. And I won't bore you through the traffic light. Alright. We'll head up by Fontana. I'm not going to go into Fontana. I will just keep going straight here. Hey, I'm not going to head in there. That's casino. All casinos are closed. They put a speed bump. Yeah, they got the speed bump here now. Another speed bump. I'm looking to see if there's anybody playing golf. I don't see anybody. Been up on Clark. Well, I haven't been up on Clark for a long time. This used to just be 2 lanes going up through here. A year or 2 ago they widened it. Now it's 4 lanes coming up through here. There's Fontana on your right. Right here on your right. I'm just looking for speed bumps. There's Fontana. probably could go in there and just don't want to. Huh. Golf course. Yeah, they widened all this up in through here. They could have done it because of the water park. They built this big water park up here. So that might be one of the reasons why they widened it to run electric and water and all that kind of stuff up there. That's empty. That's a hotel. Empty. Nice day out today. Well, it's morning. 9:45 right now. It's supposed to heat up. It is summertime. It is summertime. I just seen on the, or I read, I don't know if it was on the news or a link or somebody told me, the electric consumption here in the Philippines right now is down. I mean, you figure. Malls are closed, stores are closed, things are closed. No need for electric, right? But electric consumption is down. I think he said like 30%. Yeah, I want to go this way. That big tree. I don't know if you guys see it. Up here is the water park. I know it's closed. Here's the water park. And that's sad because you know what? Now's the time of the year that they would be making their money. Summertime. Businesses are hurting. Everybody's hurting. Hotel. I know there was a hotel in there. Alright, we'll just turn left here. And we'll shoot down around the parade ground. It's always nice through here. Shade trees are shading all this. Nice and cool. Even though there's nobody here, it's like, still stop before the white line. Turn on your turn signal. Because there could be somebody hiding in the corner. The little shacks are empty. I don't see anybody in the little shacks. But you never know around here. There's all that new construction going on. I would imagine there's no construction work going on. That's probably all shut down. For a simple reason, supplies. Getting supplies in from wherever they have to get it from. Coming up on the left-hand side is the old elementary school. Slips my mind. I can't think of it, sorry. Right there on the left. I'll think of it, probably when I'm halfway down the road here. Coming to me. I'm thinking. Da, or it won't. Bicentennial Park on the left. Now see, here are the Korean grocery stores. They're still allowed to remain open. I see cars sitting in there. Looks like lights are on. Shoot, I should have turned there. I'll turn here. Yeah, we'll turn here. Go down here around the parade field. Parking lots are empty. Wagner, there it is, guys. Wagner Elementary. Wagner Elementary. Grocery store. I don't know what he's trying to say. There's the old parade field. Last time I was up here is when they had the games going on. Everything is taken down now. Everything is taken down. People are still on the walking trail. I've seen 2 people. I don't know if a lot of people. 2 people. Nice new park through there. On a Sunday, there'd probably be people in there with their kids. Coming down to the barn houses. Barn houses up here on the left. Here are the barn houses on the left. Guys, I'm just going to wrap this one up because I'm going to head out of here, head back on the highway, the main road, and just windy because I'm riding. But anyways, you know, it just seems, it appears to be abandoned, but of course it's not. And I shouldn't even really compare it to what it would be like when Pinatubo erupted, because totally different scenario. But you see it. If you stuck with me in this video this long, thank you. Remember, guys, take care of yourself. I'll take care of myself. Take care of your family. Take care of your friends. Take care of the elderly. Take care of the sick. Take care of the young ones, and we as the world will get through this, and we'll talk to you later.